Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine. So today in this video we will going to publish our one new task application, that is a one of our customer has requested to publish our publish the task application, and we recently began launching the cheapest price for the rewarded apps, that is an independent day offer. So I think you last time you say the so one of the customer has ordered place. So this is the application, so we will going to publish here as we have already taken all the description and all the info here. So we're going to copy and paste each and everything, and we're going to publish our app. So let's start it. And as it been created, create app, then it is required the name, so we copy the name, and it's an app, it's a free created. And this is a 12 tester account. It is a completely new account, so it's required the 12 tester services. Whoever need the 12 tester services, let us know. We will give you the in cheapest price for you the 12 tester service, and we make sure your app should be get live. So after it's been created, it will going to refresh. So here we need to fill the first some information, set up your app info. So we have to copy and paste the private policy, and this is in a private policy here. Just copy and paste and save it. Go back and app access. Yeah, it's content the app access, so we'll going to copy. Username is this is in a username. It's required the login details, username and password also the same thing, and we need to write here is the user ID and password. So I will just copy here and paste, and here we are going to copy and we're going to paste it here. So no more other information required, just add it, just save it, just go back. Ads, yes, of course it's a task application, so it required the ads. Just go back. Content rating, so start the content rating. We need to give the mail ID of your content rating. Make sure which console you have buy, that mail ID only you that mail only you use it, so it will be very easy to get a updated notification. So no, 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 no. Save it. Next, save it. Just go back. And targeting audience, it's of course 18 plus we're going to keep. Next and save it. Just go back. Again, data safety. So data safety, every time we used to do the manual, but right now we going to use the Excel file. So we're going to import the CSV file, and as you can see, we have a data safety file here. So what we're going to do, we're going to copy the path, and we will going to import the CSV file here. So what I will do, I will just paste it here, and it is a data safety. So this will be going to take automatically what are the informations has been taken in an app. Just import it and import. So it's been taken all the things here. Okay, all the description it has been taken. To the next, and it has been already taken all the information here. As you can see, what are the informations we have been taken, all the things has been taken, and it's filled automatically. It has been filled all those things. If you need, you can, if you need, please let us know, we're going to share you. Okay, just go back, and it's a government app, no, save it. Whoever need the data policy CSV file, let us know. Financial features, no, it's not contain any financial feature. Next, save it, just go back. Health, no, we are not tracking any health info here. Just go back. select the settings. So its category like an entertainment, I will keep it. Then tag, fine. I will keep like in a finance. The finance, personal finance. That's it. I'll just keep like because we can make the money. So that's the reason I'm writing here. So contact mail ID, we need to write it here. So we'll keep the mail ID here. Mm, and website also we're going to paste it here. Just save it. Done. That's everything is done here. Just go back to all apps and click on here. Set up your store listing. So here we need to write all our short description, long description. This is a short description. It's up to you, or whatever you want to write, you can write it. So I will just copy here all the info. Simple thing I want to write it, so no need to be such a complicated thing. Okay. And logo, this recently the Google has made some changes. It's quite good, but sometimes it look the ridiculous also. Why it's unnecessary. So it's been uploading here. We have to just add it here. So if the image is not fixed on the images size, so it will going to show you. If it is not fixing, so it's going to show you error. But right now, if it is acceptable, just we can go into add it. That's it. And phone screenshots. Mm, okay, all screenshot has been acceptable here. It will be very good that once only we need to upload, that will be very good, but I don't think so it will have a necessary to give the every part should be different way. It should be give the one place to upload all those things. That will be very good. It's been like an dual work we have to do all the time. So I think it's a useless to keep this kind of stuff. See, this is the only one thing is good. If it is a image size is not been fixing here, so it is going to show it's not will going to accept it. It's not a big deal. So just you can ignore it. If you have a video or anything, you can just upload it, just save it. So here is everything is been set here. Just go back. So it has been under the review, ready to review now here. If you want, you can able to check it out all those things here. So it has been already been uploaded here. So it's been under review now. So we have to go to all apps. So now it's a part of to publish our app as it is a closer tester account. So we have to go on first we're going to select the countries here. We will select all the countries here. Just save it. Then the past is select the testers. So we need to create a tester link. So I will just upload the tester file. I think I have kept somewhere around downloadings. I think I have been kept here only. Okay, I got a CSV file. Whoever required the 12 tester services, let us know. We do the 12 tester service in real devices. In upcoming video, we will going to show how we will going to do. Just save it here. So this part has been done. So now it's asking for create a new release. So we're going to upload our ABB file here. And here till it's get uploaded, we will going to write small text here like an this we will going to write. So here we will going to write. So it's basically the part of update, that what you have been doing, updates or changes in your app that we need to upload here. So I just write it the simple common letters because nobody sees such things. In out of 100, 1 or 2% we will going to see. It's not a big deal. If you think it is in a mandatory, of if you are as a big company and you have been developing each and every day, some functions you have been changing. So in that time you have to mention all those things. It will be very easy and very good for you. So if you can able to keep the track, what are the changes you have been done. But usually it's the first time, so you can ignore those things and just you can able to paste it. But make sure this code you should not remove. In the middle of that code only you have to write it. Okay. So it's taking a couple of minutes to upload our ABB file, and it will going to check each and everything. As you can see, it's a targeted 35 and it has been version 2. I forgot to make a version 1, but it's fine. Just next. And let's see, it's no warning here, so it will be very easy. So just save it. Go on overview. Go on public overview. So you can see here, view the error issue. So we need to complete the Android 30 disclaimer. It's content that, yes, of course, it's app analytics and advertisement. Go on overview, and there is a no error right now. So it's reading all the data. What are the changes did? So I think it's taking time. Oh, unexpected error. I think Google has doing some changes recently, so it's been getting a time so much. Okay, send the changes for a review. So we have sent the changes for a review right now. So it's Google will going to review now. So it's saying that not send at the not at send for a review. Then you have to do just nothing. Just refresh the page, and it shows that it's in review. So after its review completed, here it's showing the draft. It will going to come the closer testers. So then you have to do the testers for the 12 devices for 14 days. After it tester pass, it is going to show the production. So I think in upcoming videos we're going to show how it is going to come also. So if you people require the any 12 tester service or app publishers, any kind of app you want or rewarded or anything, let us know. We will going to help you out in the cheapest price. Please contact to us. Thank you so much.